Has XRP hit the end of a 5-wave trend, and we should anticipate some type of correction? We're going to take a detailed look at the high probability outcome. So if you like today's video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let's keep it sharp. Let's jump into XRP. We are on a 1-hour chart with XRP. I'm going to keep it really simple. Just know markets tend to move in 5s and 3s time and time again. And with XRP on the hourly chart, we can see the market's moved up. It's had this correction. We've called this a wave 1 or wave 2. Then it's done this nice wave 3 over here. We got this pullback over here, considered as a wave 4. And then a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a wave 5. So that's pretty clean. Now we've had this overbalance of price over here, another ABC, and now XRP starting to make a big decline on the way down. So we're going to do a detailed analysis on what's likely to occur over the next 7 days or so, 3 to 7 days, maybe even 2 weeks. Now we're also going to pay attention to the trend identifier dashboard. The daily trend is strong bear, so it's on a downtrend. That's in terms of the momentum, which can really help us peg the tops and what's likely to occur. The hourly is also bearish as well. So I'm going to be looking to take some more shorting positions on XRP. We're going to consider selling over the coming days, if not even today itself. So now let's just do a detailed analysis. And by the way, if you want to check out the trend identifier dashboard, really powerful tool, £1, 30 days. Try it, test it. I'll give a full training on how to use it. We just take your trading to the next level. So now let's just stay focused with XRP. What I want to do is just quickly draw this on the chart. A nice wave 1, 2, what looks like to be a 3, 4, 5. Now that we've had this really sharp move, this sharp move here, this is an early indication because it's overlapped here that this is in fact a correction, pretty steep correction, and this high is likely, not guaranteed, but likely to hold. So we always want to go with the edge. So let's pop a question mark over here. Let's keep it nice and clear. Question mark for me just tells me or reminds me it's not confirmed, but it's highly probable. So now what we're going to do is do some Fibonacci time and price, right? Where is XRP likely to go if the correction continues to the downside? Now, the two real metrics you want to be aware of from a price perspective, 50, 62, and 78.6% retracement. And from a time perspective, typical corrections take a certain amount of time so we can get an indicative feel on what's likely to occur. And it's this range over here. So we're talking about 18th to the 21st of Jan, pulling back to the 36 cent to the maximum of around 34 cent mark, right? So we're probably going to see the initial wave. I mean, to be honest, I doubt, it could be. This could be a wave A, this could be a wave B, and this could be a wave C. But most common is that the time it takes goes beyond the 38.2% time retracement. So if it ends up like this, this is more likely going to be some type of wave A, normally a 5-wave structure, but it can be a 3-wave structure, another pullback, and then a final wave to the downside. So this indicates likely we've started a correction in XRP, as long as this high does not get exceeded. Now, overall, just so we're clear and on the same page, this movement is a bullish sign on XRP in terms of a nice movement to the upside. But after any market does a sprint to the upside, anticipate some type of correction, some type of breather, some type of price pullback. And there we have it. So that's the detailed analysis of XRP. Punchy today. Why? Because I got a dentist appointment and I got to run over to my dentist. But do check out my 4 Secrets Masterclass. It's free. We go into Elliott wave pattern. We use the basic 5 and 3s, but it goes into a bit more detail on how the wave structures really relate to one another with Fibonacci price. We spoke about some Fibonacci time, but the momentum, 4 things that just keep it really, really simple and really powerful. But anything in life is always difficult before it's easy. Let's finish on a quote from my book. We're going with chapter 3 today. We're going with Confucius. He says the following: "It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Rome weren't built on a day. Your unconscious needs to be hardwired to think in terms of probabilities, to think and know that the market is just fear and greed. It's crowd psychology playing out. And once you can understand that, and the fundamentals, so important, is already baked into the price action. So if you can just pay attention to the price action and what it's doing, that gives you all the information that you need to know to trade with high probability and consistency.